Have you ever wondered what magical creatures live beneath the waves? The ocean is a vast, mysterious world, but it's also home to some of the most stunningly beautiful fish you can imagine. Today, we're diving deep to explore the dazzling colors and incredible lives of these underwater wonders. So grab your virtual snorkel and let's get started on this amazing journey into the rainforests of the sea. First up, a movie star. You probably know the clownfish. They're famous for their bright orange bodies and those iconic white stripes outlined in black. But their real-life story is even more fascinating than the movies. Clownfish have a special friendship with sea anemones. These anemones have stinging tentacles that would harm most other fish, but clownfish are immune. They live right inside the anemone's tentacles, which protects them from predators. In return, the clownfish keeps the anemone clean and might even lure in food. It's a perfect partnership, and seeing them peek out from their homes is truly a sight to behold. Next, let's talk about a fish that looks like a living jewel, the mandarinfish. These little guys are absolutely tiny, but what they lack in size, they make up for in color. Imagine a fish painted with psychedelic swirls of electric blue, vibrant green, sunny yellow, and fiery orange. They're reef dwellers, often found hiding in the nooks and crannies of coral. Their dazzling appearance makes them one of the most sought-after fish for photographers, a true gem of the ocean. Now for a fish with a split personality, at least when it comes to color. Meet the royal grama. The front half of its body is a brilliant regal purple, while the back half is a bright, sunny yellow. These are peaceful fish that you'll often see swimming upside down under ledges or in reef caves. When they feel threatened, they'll quickly retreat into their rocky homes, flashing their vibrant colors as they go. Have you ever heard of a fish that helps build beaches? Say hello to the parrotfish. These incredible fish come in a rainbow of blues, greens, pinks, and yellows that can change as they grow and mature. But their most amazing feature is their powerful beak-like mouth, which they use to scrape algae off of coral. As they munch on the rock and coral, they grind it up in their guts and excrete it as fine white sand. That's right, many of those beautiful sandy beaches in tropical locations are thanks to the hard work of parrotfish. They are the ultimate reef janitors and sand makers. Swimming gracefully through the reef, we find the angelfish. With their flat, disc-shaped bodies and elegant fins, they truly live up to their name. Angelfish display bold, striking patterns of yellow, blue, and black. They are known for their confident and graceful swimming style, gliding effortlessly through the water. They primarily feed on sponges and tiny invertebrates found on the reef, using their small mouths to pick at their food. Watching a school of angelfish move in unison is like watching a perfectly choreographed ballet. Often seen fluttering around in pairs, the butterfly fish are another highlight of the coral reef. As their name suggests, they are as delicate and brightly colored as their namesake. Most have patterns of bright yellow, crisp white, and bold black. A common feature is a dark spot near their tail, which acts as a false eye to confuse predators. They often mate for life and swim in dedicated pairs, using their long, thin snouts to reach into coral crevices to feed on polyps. Their synchronized movements are a beautiful display of partnership in the animal kingdom. From the Amazon River, we have a fish that's a favorite in the aquarium world, the discus fish. But it's their colors that truly captivate. They come in a breathtaking array of patterns, with shades of red, blue, green, and orange. Discus fish are very social and thrive in groups, where they establish a clear pecking order. They are also known for their devoted parenting, as both the mother and father care for their young. Their calm and serene presence adds a touch of tranquility to any aquatic scene. Speaking of popular fish, let's not forget the betta fish, also known as the Siamese fighting fish. While famous for their aggression towards other males, they are equally famous for their stunning beauty. Bettas have long, flowing fins that look like silk gowns, and they come in an incredible spectrum of vivid colors, deep reds, brilliant blues, majestic purples, and more. One of their most unique traits is a special organ called the labyrinth, which allows them to breathe air directly from the surface. This adaptation lets them survive in low-oxygen waters in their native habitats. Now for a fish that is both beautiful and dangerous, the lionfish. You can't miss them with their striking red, brown and white zebra-like stripes, and long, fan-like fins. Those long, delicate-looking spines are actually venomous, serving as a powerful defense against predators. While they are native to the Indo-Pacific, they have become an invasive species in the Atlantic, where they have no natural predators and pose a threat to local reef fish. Despite their reputation, there's no denying their dramatic and captivating appearance. Our next fish is the Moorish idol, an icon of the tropical seas. With their disc-shaped bodies of bold black, white, and yellow bands and an incredibly long flowing dorsal fin that trails behind them like a banner, they are unmistakable. These fish are known to be quite difficult to keep in aquariums, making a sighting in the wild all the more special. They glide gracefully around the reef, often in pairs, looking for food. Their majestic presence makes them a favorite among divers and a true symbol of the exotic ocean. Let's talk about the helpful wrasses. This is a huge family of fish, with hundreds of species, all brightly colored and active. They come in all shapes and sizes, but many are small to medium-sized and have vibrant patterns. One of the most fascinating types is the cleaner wrasse. These little fish set up cleaning stations on the reef where larger fish, including predators like sharks and groupers, will come to get cleaned. The wrasse swims all over the bigger fish, eating parasites and dead skin from their bodies, and even inside their mouths and gills. It's a crucial service that keeps the entire reef community healthy. Next, we go from big to tiny with the gobies. Gobies are some of the smallest fish in the sea, but they pack a lot of color. You can find them in almost every hue imaginable. Many gobies live in burrows on the sandy seafloor, and they often form one of the cutest partnerships in the ocean. They share their burrow with a nearly blind shrimp. The shrimp maintains the burrow, digging and cleaning it out, while the goby stands guard at the entrance. If danger approaches, the goby flicks its tail, signaling the shrimp to retreat into the burrow, and then follows it to safety. It's a perfect example of teamwork. Imagine a vibrant cloud of color hovering over a coral reef. You're likely looking at a school of anthias. These small fish are absolutely stunning, often appearing in brilliant shades of pink, orange, and red. They form huge dynamic schools that move and shimmer together, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Anthias have a fascinating social structure where all are born female, and if the dominant male in the group disappears, the largest female will change sex and color to become the new male. They are the life and energy of the reef. Last but not least, meet the darting firefish. These slender little fish are instantly recognizable by their elongated dorsal fin and their striking coloration. They typically have a white or pale yellow front half that gradually transitions to a vibrant orange or magenta red towards the tail. Their fins are often tipped with purple, black, and orange. As their other name, dartfish, suggests they are incredibly fast. When they feel threatened, they will dart and dive headfirst into a small hole or burrow in the sand, disappearing in a flash. All of these magical, colorful fishes have one thing in common. They call coral reefs home. Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea for a very good reason. They are bursting with life, hosting thousands of species of fish and other marine animals. These reefs provide essential food, shelter from predators, and a safe place for fish to breed and raise their young. The incredible biodiversity found in coral reefs is what makes our oceans so vibrant and beautiful. Protecting these precious ecosystems is crucial for the survival of all the amazing fish we've talked today and for the health of our entire planet. From the friendly clownfish to the dazzling mandarinfish, the ocean is full of color, wonder, and incredible stories. I hope this deep dive has given you a new appreciation for the magical world beneath the surface. Which one of these colorful fish was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this underwater adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of our amazing world. See you next time.